Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. Eid Mubarak fam. May Allah continue to bless us and may Allah accept all our ibadat. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare or how I prep my woods to be used in making incense. So this is my sandalwood chips. I am making sandalwood chips, and if you can remember, guys, or if you are an OG on this channel, I used this exact same sandal chips some years ago. Let's say 2 to 3 years ago. I really love the outcome. I really love how they smell, but like for some time, I could not find this same exact sandal chips in the market, and now I noticed that it has been back and we have it in the market. So I will be using the sandal chips instead of the other one that has a brown packaging, the one from UAE. So this is a sandal chips made in India. And you all know that sandalwood from India is good. Sandalwood oils from India, especially sandal oils, they are very good. So I'll be using this Falak. It's a very popular brand. Yeah, some time ago, like I said before, it was so popular in the market. You can get it, and now you cannot even get it in the market. Um, like the way you can, like the way you get it before. Yeah. So, it is a half kg. It is not 1 kg. It is half kg, and this is what it looks like for those of you that would love to order this. Also for those of you that want to buy this, just take a screenshot. When you go to the market, you can get this, and it costs roughly around 15 to 17k depending on where you buy this. I bought mine at a wholesale price, so it was not even up to that, but then the retail price is mostly 14-15k. So you can see product of India. Yeah. And yeah. So I'm just going to soak this, and I'm going to add it in this bucket. I'm going to open this and then add my Yudu cologne. So the Yudu cologne of choice is this, as always. I love using this. It gives me an amazing result. Yeah. So and then I'm going to soak this. So let me show you guys how I soak this. Before that, let me show you the other woods that I have, the woods that I have already soaking. So I have this chadi. You guys remember I have an amazing bakur that takes a lot of ingredients and oils to make, so I discontinued it because it's so expensive to make. And now my customer is asking whether I have it in store, and I am trying to make one for her. It takes 2 months for the woods to cure. It takes more than 2 months, but mine is 2 months. Yes. So like this, we already have a mu'attar situation over here, but then I'm still going to soak this more because it's not soft. The wood needs to be so soft. Like this has been soaked with oil. You can see the wood is getting darker. Yeah, initially it was not as dark as this. So this is the chadi. We are bringing back chadi. Yeah, and this time around chadi will cost around 20k for a jar. And you trust me, you need only one chip. And then I have my sandal soaking already. Sandal asal. I have not made sandal asal since the last time I made a video about sandal asal. I made sandal asal for a customer, and I am sensing that a customer will ask for sandal asal. So I'm soaking more sandal asal for a customer. Then I have sandal flakes. I have some white wood. I have some sandal flakes, some doroots. I have them. Then this is my Harry. Yes, but my customer wants an old Harry, so I'm selling the old one and I'm restocking the new one. Then this one is my own personal Mokul. made this over a year ago, and I'm adding more ingredients, more oils. I've done everything. This is a very special bakul. Yeah, and this is wood. This is just pure wood and some ingredients. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see the continuation of how I create this amazing Turarenwuta incense bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. See you guys in my next one. Bye.